I've taken the spicy marinade of Chef Solutions, which will be adding water, oil and making a marinade. Add in the chicken wings and marinate it for at least 2 hours. Take a baking tray and start arranging the marinated chicken wings. Roast the chicken wings till it's cooked. Heat the pan, add oil, add ginger garlic, saute it for 2-3 minutes, then add the onions and the spring onions, continue to saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add soya sauce, vinegar and the cornstarch water at this stage. Simmer it for a few minutes and add water. And now we will add the honey. Add the Chef Solutions Veggie Broth powder. Add black pepper. Add salt to taste and then add the cooked chicken wings. Coat it well with the sauce. And here you go. I hope you like the recipe. Do try it by yourself and let me know your questions and experience in the comment section below. Thank you and enjoy.